Hi everyone, I'm Richard, Product Manager from Hikvision's LED Display.
Welcome to the Hikvision factory in Tonglu, Hangzhou, the primary production base for our LED displays. In 2014, we established our first LED production line here, initially in-house research, manufacturing, production, and sales. It's time to unravel all the mysteries surrounding Hikvision LED displays.
Here, every batch of material will be tested through a pre-entry sampling inspection by our professional staff. Lamp board solder paste printing is the first step in producing these components. To ensure even and full printing, the first automatic optical inspection will take place here. Lamp boards that meet quality standards will be sent to the mounting process. The fully automated workflow ensures that SMD LED modules are subsequently mounted on the board. Next, the board will undergo the second automated optical inspection, designed to prevent displacement of the patch assembly. Each lamp board that passes inspection will continue onto the reflow oven for cold and hot soldering. After soldering, lamp boards undergo an optical inspection by Hikvision personnel, ensuring that the boards operate correctly. Once the board passes the inspection, they will be taken to the air drying area by robotic transport. To improve patching efficiency, we have established multiple fully automated SMT patch lines, which can assemble a staggering 2.7 billion LED beads each month. The assembled cabinets are now transported to the auto-aging rack. Here, various processes accelerate and simulate the aging of each unit. This prevents hidden failures from being released, such as substandard lights, flickering, intermittent lighting, and others.